Alright, tonight it's leftover night. It's leftover night on the reservation. So, lucky for us, we have some good leftovers. We have the cardiac cheeseburgers. We got some spaghetti sauce I found in the refrigerator. We got some mushrooms here that are drying. And wrap your, these are canned mushrooms. I'll show you. They're just regular mushrooms. But if you don't drain these things and dry them out, you'll have the soggiest peachy you ever had, and it'll be bad. So anyway, dry those. So we got mushrooms, a tomato, ounce of pepperoni in there, spaghetti sauce. The olive oil is going to be to boil the pans down. And then we've got some green onion, red onion, and some bell pepper. And I'll be back in just a second, and we're going to throw this thing together. Alright, we're back. We're ready to start on this. I found a few more leftovers. I found some bacon, some garlic. Now we're going to take some of this olive oil. We've got to oil this pan up. So just put some on there. Try to keep our crust from sticking. I've got the oven preheating up to 425. Now we're going to take our leftover spaghetti sauce and pour some on there. Maybe if it comes out. I'll spread that around. Got some mozzarella cheese I found in the fridge. Put some of that on there. That's going to make this have 6 cheeses in it by the time we put that cheeseburger on here that has 5. You know that's got to be good. Break these up. Break them up and I'll spread them out on the top here. And remember, when using these pre-cooked crust, try to put a lot of stuff on here that don't go putting raw sausage on here, in other words. Alright. Now we got some pepperoni. I found this in the fridge. Suppose we could call this a garbage pizza. Everything that's in the fridge is going to go in the garbage if we don't eat it. Okay, we're going to put some pepperoni on here. Pepperoni's almost as good as bacon. It's good on everything. There's our pepperoni. We're going to do the bacon. This is leftover bacon from the other night. I made the cheeseburgers. A little bit of red onion. And a little bit of bell pepper here. A little bit of garlic. And we have some mushrooms, and these mushrooms, I'm telling you, drain these things, pour them off into, pour the juice off, wrap them up in some paper towels, and you may have to change the paper towels several times. It'll make a huge difference in the runniness of your pizza at the end. It won't be all gooey and juice running everywhere. So I think we're pretty good. I want to add just a little bit more mozzarella. Actually, I'm going to put some tomatoes on this. Just throw a few slices of tomato on the top. That's for our vegetarian friends. If you disguise it with some tomatoes, they won't know that meat's hiding under there. The green onions, we're going to save that until at the end. So let's go ahead and put our cheese on. Alright, I got them put together. I found some more stuff in the fridge. I found some ham. And I don't know what else, but look at these. Look how piled up they are. Now, remember, everything here is really, it's pre-cooked other than your veggies. And I oiled the pans with some olive oil. I threw whatever I wanted to on them. Remember, this is called leftover garbage pizza. So we're going to put these in the oven at 425. They're going to go for probably 5 minutes. I'll switch them over to a low broil and let the top cook, because basically that's all we really want to cook. So we'll see how these turn out here in just a minute. Okay, we just pulled the first one out. And we'll put just a little bit of green onion on the top. And you can finish this off with anything that you want. If you want to put some ranch dressing, some sour cream, some cream cheese, you can put all that on there. It's all up to you. It's whatever you got in your fridge, because remember, this is a leftover garbage pizza, because everything that went in this is going to go in the garbage if you don't eat it. And this is a good way to use it up. Okay, the second one's out. I'm throwing the green onions on top.
Finish injecting this. I'm going to back when it's time to do that.
I'm going to go ahead and slice these up, and I'll be back in just a second to take a bite. Alright, I'm on the second one here. I'm going to show you how to slice this thing. Because you get a piece of this stacked this high, you got to watch. Because if you just cut straight through it, you're going to shove all your toppings straight off of it. So we're going to start into it and see how they start to move. And then we start to come back from the other direction. Just wanted to show you that. Back in a minute. Alright, we're going to try a piece of this. Now this first one I left in the 425 for about 10 minutes and then boiled it for probably 5. So I don't know what to expect. The crust might be a little bit too much. We'll see. Really good. Yeah. It's time to eat it.